Hi, my name's Amanda. Welcome to the Rockyard, and today we're going to be talking about straw-based mulches. The straw-based mulches will break down fairly quickly, but they will add loads of nutrients and nitrogen into your soil. These products here are great for around your vegetable garden, fruit trees and herbs. Here at the Rockyard, we like to choose Rocky Point mulching straw-based products. They are a great product and they are dust-free. We stock pea straw mulch. Pea straw mulch is great to have around the vegetable garden. This will take a little longer to break down and it will help with weed suppression and water retention. Looser mulch. It is great for around fruit trees and will add loads of nitrogen into your soil. We also stock wheaten straw. This is fantastic for large areas with a large coverage, which takes quite a while for it to break down. And sugarcane mulch, my favourite. This is a great all-rounder straw-based product. You can use it on your vegetable gardens, around fruit trees and in the herb garden. It's easy application and takes quite a while for it to break down. If you're looking to add loads of nutrients to your garden, then a straw-based product is for you. For more information on our products, visit us online at therockyard.com.au. Thank you and have a good day.